Well, the measles is spreading. One case of the virus has been confirmed now in Latah County. Idaho public health officials made that announcement today.
Our Whitney Ward joins us now with more on what health officials are saying. Whitney?
Good afternoon. Yeah, this is actually the first confirmed case of measles in Idaho this year. One person with measles was identified at the Gritman Medical Center in Moscow. Now, staff say they immediately recognized the symptoms and were able to take quick action. We're not sure, though, where the patient has actually been and if the measles virus is still present in the area. That remains to be seen. Now, this is just one of the many measles cases all around the country. Here in Washington, there are at least 9 confirmed cases. All of them are in western Washington. Some of those patients, though, had been traveling through SeaTac Airport, a very easy way to spread the disease to other parts of the country. Now, before that outbreak, 71 cases were confirmed in Clark County. Public health officials worked to contain that outbreak for 6 weeks. It was finally declared over in April, but those cases motivated lawmakers to tighten the state's vaccine exemption laws. Right now, a total of 26 states across the U.S. have been affected. Now, if we include Idaho's most recent case, that brings the total number of cases across the country to 982. That is the most reported in the U.S. since 1992. Measles was actually declared eliminated in this country in 2000, but public health experts are now afraid that if measles cases continue to pop up, our country could actually lose that status. And if that would be a huge blow for our nation as a whole. So according to CDC records, a majority of actually people who have been infected do not have vaccination records. They are unvaccinated. That's why doctors across the country are urging everyone to get that MMR vaccine. It's 93% effective after 1 dose, 97% effective after 2 doses. Tom, Mark?